ocean feels so big. Oh. I'm so sorry. You can do it, Pip.
Turn left, Shelley.
You see the world so differently. And you show me the bigger picture. Something's wrong. I'll scout ahead. Stay safe. The river is blocked. Water rising. The nests, the burrows.
We have to warn everyone.
You fly to the treetops. I'll take the river path.
But can you make it in time?
I've walked these paths for 50 years. Trust me.
Flood coming! Get to high ground! Tell everyone!
The big tree has fallen into the river. A flood is coming toward the jungle.
A flood?
The river is rising. Take your family to the great fig tree. Hurry, but don't panic.
This way! Follow me! Where are they?
Did they make it?
Push together. Use all your strength. We must save the jungle.
No! The jungle owes you both a debt. The bird who sees everything and the turtle who understands everything. You make a formidable team.
I'm glad I fell on you that day.
I'm glad I was there to catch you.
Together.
Always together.